Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. CC here, Chris, from New York, Westchester County. I think it's December 21st, is it, right now? As we watch the sun watch the moon right up there. Regular as clockwork. Regular as clockwork. This could never be late. It has to be down to the millisecond. All the time. Every day. For centuries and centuries and centuries. If it's ever late. If it doesn't show up one day, oh my gosh, what would happen? But what you're seeing now is what you're going to see forever. It's never going to change. Take a look at it again. It'll never, ever change. It's been like that since you were a child. There always will be. It has to be. Skies will never change. The stars will never change. They'll all be in the exact position every single day. Even though we're whirling through the universe at this enormous amount of speed. Millions and millions miles per hour. Traveling with the sun through space. But yet here it is, popping up. Well, coming closer to us in a flat earth term, but if you want to look at it in a globe term, yeah, popping up on the horizon. And this is exactly the way it looked hundreds of years ago, thousands of years ago. Whenever the Creator created this land. And of course everything is obscured, and it's nice clear blue skies here. As usual. You know, it's funny because they're hiding so much from us. You know? And they're even hiding the sun. They're hiding God. Oops, sorry about that. There we go. They're hiding God. They're hiding the sun. They're hiding everything. Everything from us. We can't even get a good sun rise, I want to say. It's so hard to get out of it, but it's coming closer to us. But I mean, it's just, look, it's so obvious. Look at this. I mean, clear blue skies over here. It's just, take a look. Your sky would look right here. And this is what you have when it comes closer to us. Over and over and over again, we try to wake people up, you know, to this nonsense. The obvious. That's all it is. It's obvious. It's so obvious right now. It should be to everybody. These chemtrails, the way they cover the entire sky. Every time the sun goes away and every time the sun comes closer. All the time. It's just around the sun. Alright, I just figured I'd share this sunrise, which has now been obscured from us. Of course, it sucks. And it's not really a sunrise. We all know what it is. Take a look at that moon. Leave you with this. I mean, all of this amazing traversing space through the universe, and nothing ever changes. I can come back here exactly 1 year from now, and that's not going to change at all. I can come back here 100 years from now, and that's never going to change. It never will. But you know, the comforting thing is that's been. I always think, yeah, you look at these black and white pictures when you were a kid. I was like, oh, you know, things were so different back then. Yeah, I mean, you know, in terms of reality and everything around you, but when you look up, everything is exactly the same. You know, that sun wasn't any different than it was when you were 2 years old. It's still exactly the same. It came up in the same area. It came up at the same time, at the same second. And it could never change. It never will. But yet, we're traveling through the universe at this enormous amount of speed. Not a single millisecond ever changed. I thank you for subbing. I thank you for viewing my videos and let me be a part of your life.